Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new poem. The name of the poem is Rain. This poem has been written by the poet Robert Louis Stevenson. पोएट का मतलब होता है कवि, जिसने कविता यानी पोयम लिखा है. चलिए पहले पोयम एक बार सुनते हैं. The rain is raining all around, it falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Come, children, let us understand the meaning of this poem. The rain is raining all around. Around का मतलब है चारों ओर. It falls on field and tree. Field का मतलब होता है मैदान या खेत. It rains on the umbrellas here. Umbrellas का मतलब आप सबको मालूम होगा, छतरी. And on the ships at sea. Sea का मतलब है समुद्र. Look at this picture. You can see it raining on a ship at sea. Children, did you like this beautiful poem? Let us learn something about rainy day. Before it starts raining, we can see lot of grey clouds in the sky. It becomes dark because the clouds hide the sun. Then the lightning is seen in the sky. It can be scary sometimes. Soon of that lightning, we hear thunder. The thunder can be very loud sometimes. Isn't it scary, children? After this, it starts drizzling. यानी बूंदाबांदी स्टार्ट हो जाती है. It starts pouring after that, and everywhere you can see water. The peacock feels very happy when it rains. It spreads its feathers and dances. We can see dragonflies in many numbers during rainy season. Sometimes a rainbow appears in the sky soon after the rain, and the sun is out. A rainbow needs both raindrops in the air and sunlight to form. A rainbow has 7 colors in it, and we remember the colors in the rainbow by saying Vipgayar. V for violet, I for indigo, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. There is slush on the ground after it rains. Slush का मतलब है कीचड़. There are also puddles everywhere. Children like splashing in puddles. This child is wearing a gumboot while splashing in puddles so that his feet does not get wet. Ponds, lakes and rivers fill up with water when it rains. Forests need water to grow. So do water animals like fish, turtle, seahorse, octopus, eel and starfish. They live in water. Animals and people also need water to live. Rain is the main source of water. You must have seen lot of frogs during rainy season. They croak and make a lot of noise. Baby frogs are called as tadpoles. You must have seen them in ponds in the rainy season. This is the sound of frogs croaking. During rainy season, you might have come across snails too. They carry their house on their back. It is a shell. Even turtles and tortoises have a shell on their back. Look at this snail. It is going into the shell and coming out. It does so whenever it feels danger is around. Look at its feelers. The feelers have eyes at their tip. The ants are often seen looking for food all the year round. These are mosquito babies. They are called as larvae. Mosquitoes lay eggs in standing water, which is found everywhere during rainy season. Mosquitoes can spread diseases like dengue, chikungunya, and malaria. We should protect ourselves from mosquito bites. This is an earthworm. Earthworms live in the soil. When it rains, they cannot breathe, and so they come out to breathe. They are unable to breathe in the soil during the rainy season because it is full of water. This is a slug. You can see them often in the rainy season. Look at these people. To protect themselves from the rain, they are carrying umbrellas and are wearing raincoats or gumboots. Umbrella, gumboots, and raincoat keep us dry in rain. Children, let us finish this lesson by singing the poem Rain one more time. The rain is raining all around, it falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Children, hope you liked this lesson. Thank you.